Hi, my name's Steve Miley and I'm a Senior Investment Consultant at Bullseye Financial. And today we're going to talk about ISAs and Junior ISAs.
So the ISA and Junior ISA tax allowance for the 22-23 tax year are as follows. For the normal ISA, it's a £20,000 limit, and for the Junior ISA, £9,000 for the tax year. This must be used between the 5th of April 2022 and 5th of April 2023. Any unused allowances do not roll over. It's a use it or lose it model. Well, the answer is really no. If you have a normal investment account, you would have to pay tax on capital gains and also income tax on any dividends.
However, if you take out an ISA or a Junior ISA, you do not pay any capital gains tax or any income tax. Plus, there is flexibility around withdrawals.
Well, in the 21-22 year, we saw the cash ISA only return 0.5%. However, for the same year on a stocks and shares ISA, the average return was just under 7%. And if we look at the year before, 2020 to 2021, the return was over 13%. And the prospects for 2022 are looking good for the second half of the year and going into 2023.
Any stocks listed on a recognised exchange. This could be in the UK, like BP, British Petroleum.
Or it could be on an overseas stock, such as Facebook, Tesla, Twitter, or Disney. You can invest in securities, secured loans potentially, in property, care homes, or maybe in construction.
You can invest in government securities, like UK gilts.
You can invest in ETFs, which are exchange traded funds. These track indices from the major global economies, like the SPDR fund, which tracks the major US equity index. Or finally, you could just invest in cash. So you can see there's a great amount of flexibility when investing in a stocks and shares ISA. Remember, at the moment, in April 2022, the UK inflation rate is running at 7% and it's expected to rise close to 9% by the end of the year. The Bank of England is expected to continue to increase interest rates throughout 2022. This is in reaction to coming from very low rates that we saw in a post-pandemic era, combating the high inflation rates we're seeing right now. So remember, if you have a 1% return on your savings in a cash ISA, and inflation is running at 7 to maybe up to 9%, this is eroding the value of your portfolio. So let's take a look at an example. If you fully funded a cash ISA with £20,000 allowance, then after 1 year, the return on your cash ISA at a 1% interest rate would be £200. But you have to remember that if inflation was running at 9%, then the real value of your investment would actually fall to £18,200. Clearly, this would not be favourable when compared to a stocks and shares ISA.
So we hope you found this information on ISAs and Junior ISAs for 2022-2023 useful. If you have any further questions, reach out to us at Bullseye Financial